I'm James Swartz, managing attorney at Swartz & Swartz PC. So what is a catastrophic injury case? Really, it's a case that involves significant injuries. The proof in that case might be no different than other types of injury cases. That is, proving negligence, proving causation, and then proving damages. However, an important distinction is that the injuries involved are life-altering. So there may be a lifetime ahead of medical care, of rehabilitation services, of nursing care. And these types of injuries, of course, can affect not only the victim, but the victim's family in terms of costs of care, in terms of the time spent having to care for a loved one when the injuries are so severe that they impact everyday life. So the types of catastrophic injuries include brain injuries, spinal cord injuries, paralysis, severe burn injuries, for example, just to name a few. And these types of injuries can occur in many different settings. A defective product may have caused some of these injuries. It could be a construction site accident or a workplace accident. It could be a car accident. So really, there's a vast array of situations that could result in these catastrophic injuries. The damages that are recoverable in these cases include damages for medical bills, for lost wages, and other compensatory damages. Also, pain and suffering, rehabilitation costs, among many others. Also, those costs, by the way, are recoverable for the past medical care that has already occurred, as well as any medical care that's shown to be required in the future. Another important element of catastrophic injury cases is comparative negligence. So in Massachusetts, there is a comparative negligence statute. So what does that mean? If the plaintiff, the victim, is found to be partially at fault, that is less than 51% at fault, then that victim's recovery may be reduced by that percentage. So for example, in a case where there's a $100,000 recovery, if the plaintiff is found to be 20% negligent, then that recovery is reduced from $100,000 to $80,000. That's something important to remember and certainly to discuss with your experienced product liability and personal injury attorney before proceeding with any case filing in court. If you have questions about your catastrophic injury case, please contact Swartz & Swartz. We can answer your questions.